Chief Minister Biren calls on the need to upgrade technology of state security and intelligence department into 4G to combat insurgent activities in the state. People staged sit-ins denouncing Koirengai bomb blast. Prescribed outfit Pripak claims the blast. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated that the technology utilized by the State Security and Intelligence Department would be upgraded to 4G soon. The Chief Minister made this statement during a press meet held at CM's bungalow in connection with Hill's Leaders Day today. Defending the efficiency of the state security and intelligence forces, Biren responded to media queries by attributing the recent unfortunate incidents in the state to the 3G technology utilized by the State Security and Intelligence Department. He stated that the 3G technology was unable to detect on time such vulnerabilities at the wake of insurgents and other anti-social elements utilizing the 4G technologies. Speaking in connection to yesterday's bomb blast at Koirengai, Chief Minister Biren stated that some suspects were apprehended. He further assured of search hunts to arrest all the culprits responsible for the blast. The Chief Minister also sought for people's cooperation in this regard.
Government gidi akoi madu maralai bimido phangnana ba thidaba yaroi phangnana ba thiraka madu ain gi matung ina koi dandi pidaba yaroi madu gi ain gi matung ina dandi pina bu khona rakam madamda khara khaidok thaijin sokok thoksin masa masuda kaida lakpa ka da prajana government waro bigno government daina appeal to kana prajashin daina appeal to jeri aduga police su aina have only maralai ba sindudang prajada karida sopan yahundana maralai ba sindudi dandi pidaba yaroi hada be yaroi hai be government ge oiba adugi akanba koi haugrena haidare aduga dum makha satharani.
Chief Minister Biren further expressed that the high-level committee set up to prevent frequent flash floods in the state has long-term visions. He said a detailed report on the factors triggering such flash floods will be considered in the scheme for smart city preparation. He also mentioned that dredging work were carried out at Nambul and Imphal rivers to combat flash floods and further lauded the people for their cooperation in the dredging works. Speaking on the inconveniences faced by people with regards to opening and closing of the Loktak project gate when water level rises during monsoon, Biren said that a committee was formed jointly by NHPC and Water Resource Ministry to overcome such inconveniences in the future.
Turen manungda lairamba singse koina moida option kharapi makhado makhadagi koi pillar hogalaga makhado ising chalalaga mathakta hairaga sab crematorium su aduga community hall su aduga makhada pura thingjalaga sab simadi natural course thingbadagi ne ngasi prithvi da laiba ecological imbalance laiba flood laiba cyclone laiba earthquake laiba tawri me amse adamasi koi na isa isa na lokthok haningi.
Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren stated that complaints regarding farming-related schemes and other government schemes not reaching the people at the grassroots level were received in Hill Leaders Day today. Biren also termed the response for the recently launched Go to Village mission as positive. He said any suggestions with regard to the mission is highly welcomed.
Government official may have other Yoraka, public single interaction to the public to the domicile, the certificate people, the gas people to the public in the house. The Moina domicile certificate, Fangna Honor say, we say all I need again a humble, somebody otherwise could have the period reaction. masi mai koi yam nai koi ngasi gi sida outcome ma praja yam harau re adu tabu da bus mai na cc ta honingi ga no suggestion kar piram se sugum mo koi not
Coffin PD Minister Karam Sharma asserted that it is high time for all consumers to rise against the powerful elites who are exploiting their rights. The minister made this statement at the releasing ceremony of the biannual Manipuri Consumer Journal entitled Consumer Singi Hak Amasung Wayel as part of the vernacular language publication. Manipur Women Coordinating Council, under the aegis of the Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, New Delhi, organized the ceremony at All Secretariat today. Speaking further, Minister Karam Shah maintained that Manipur will be a developed state only when the rights of the consumers are ensured. He hoped that the book will facilitate in this regard. The minister lauded the people for raising their voice against misappropriation of PTS items on local dailies. He said, despite various threats and restrictions on withdrawal of PTS items from FCI godown imposed by certain powerful individuals, full efforts are on to ensure these rights to the beneficiaries.
Level politically, Sarkar Pai, Minister Oragasu, at the consumer singi right Pangana Bohona Ribo Oragasu, NGO Oragasu, Akoi Punumaxe, unitely at the fight to Wogi was the right timing. Natragati, Prazagi Chaktung Sing Pangan Mother, Awab Uigaturi, Hakmat Liba Kambunasu, a queen at Tauribasi, Prazagi Hakmat Libra, Matribra, Prazagi Chaktung Jaquina, Show Ibra Sok the Bargaje, Moy Mosana, Kandaga, Ado Kalaktabagi. Climax show over Matamamani. I Hinga Lori, I Shoitraga Lori, and a Kalakpagi, Shumbalam Dum, Amada, consumer singi right Pangana Bohonabakanda, Prazana to Minalate Wogadi, Sungi Prazana, Masingi Maramda Fazana Hen, awareness labor, a queen of Supina Bohonaba, Aduka pointing a tilla Takpangamba, Mui Masing Asuki Matik Darkar Udi.
Various civil society organizations, including students, condemned yesterday's bomb blast near Koirangai BSF gate by staging a sit-in today. The critically injured woman in the bomb blast, Mangsatabam Ningol Premalata, left hand has been already amputated. She is undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity, while the other two injured are now out of danger. Students of schools in Koirangai, namely Manipur Public School, Reliance Academy and King's English School, and inhabitants of Luang Sangbam Awang Lekai and BSF Lane stage sit-in at Koirangai BSF gate today. Addressing media persons, elder sister of Premlata, Konthaujam Minau Tombi, questioned as to why the bomb was planted in a public place, causing much terror and injuring the civilians. She demanded clarifications from those responsible for the bomb blast. Critically injured Premlata, who owns a grocery shop, is staying with her minor daughter, studying in class 5 in rental house in the area. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister Biren has assured of hunting down all culprits responsible for the bomb blast and to give them befitted punishment at the earliest. Koirangai Bazaar Maira Paibi and Koirangai Welfare Club jointly staged a sit-in at Koirangai Bazaar condemning the bomb blast that occurred at Koirangai yesterday. The protesters demanded those responsible for the blast to plead guilty at the earliest. Speaking to media persons, Assistant President of Koirangai Bazaar Maira Paibi, Sapam Gomti, strongly condemned the act of terror which killed and injured innocent lives. Stating the plight of the critically injured Mangsatabam Premlata, who has now become physically challenged, Sapam Gomti strongly condemned the incident and questioned what the victim's fault was.
Bomb lang jaliba music myo do maram do thu matam da sengtok pirak ta batara ga di akoi kuthang chara hen babo khoi changjing ani haiba misak sing do thu matam da puthok piu matik chaba dandi pibiu maram de koi ngara mata da soi bdo isa ina school gi ban school chatra thinba ban adagi no magi charata na hinjari ba inaw nupi tamthi ba mong da som bado ko yam pende.
Meanwhile, publicity and propaganda in charge of proscribed outfit, People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglai Park subgroup Red Army, Laibak Ngakpa Luang, in a press release has claimed that the outfit is responsible for the bomb blast that occurred near the entrance of the 49th BSF camp in Koirenga yesterday afternoon at 1:40, killing 2 BSF personnel. The press release further expressed sorrows for the 3 civilians injured in the blast and shared their grievances. Joint Administrative Council, All Manipur under 5-tone passenger service, has called for 48-hour sea service strike starting from midnight of May 13 to the midnight of May 15. The JAC also appealed the state bus and Tata Winger service plying in or outside the state to extend the support. Convener of the JAC, Elso Marendro, told media persons at the press meet held at Manipur Press Club today that the JAC have submitted a written application to Chief Minister Nongthomam Birren and Transport Commissioner and Director on May 2nd to revoke the decision ban entry of diesel auto rickshaws in Greater Imphal, but the government has failed to respond till date. He said the JAC convened a meeting with members of JAC Polo Ground Parking and unanimously resolved to initiate the sea service strike. It may be mentioned that there are 6,000 auto rickshaws plying within Imphal city out of the total 18,000 in the state. Tata Wingers and Tata Magic passenger vehicles are also in service within the city area.
ngasi phawda karigumam ta haibidra tabidaba amadi karigumam ta khanabidabdagi tang 13 gi ahing nongai dagina tang 15 gi ahing nongai phawa pungning phunipan gi oiba manipur da cheliba akogi winger sing magic sing octo rickshaw sing asi passenger service lepagi khongjang ama changsin jaragani passenger service tawiriba akoi bus sing amadi manipur gi mapanda passenger service tawiriba winger bus sing si mateng pangbinaba akoina hamjari akogi starting pai daba gari lepagi khongjang si changsilaba phawda manipur sarkar na tabirak tab taradi akoina masidagi hena chang kanba khongjang kaya ama changchen nabagi damukta fan city da yawrakliba society organization humdra ga manga apunba apex body asina sem saduna laire.
Women folks of Chingaril Tejpur, Sawumbung Kaboi Sairem, Wairi, Mani Yai School, Waiton and Numoy staged a sit-in at Chingaril Tejpur against the government's decision to shift the construction site for Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. Protesters at the sit-in held at Chingaril Tejpur Mairapai Bishanglen displayed various placards demanding the government to consider the interests of the people and construct the hospital on need basis at Sagolmang. Speaking at the sidelines, Secretary of Chingaril Tejpur Mairapai B. Lairen Lakpam Kiranbala stated that Sagolmang is an apt location for the construction of Imphal East District Hospital. He added that if the hospital is constructed at Sagolmang, it would benefit people not only of Kundrakpum constituency, but even the inhabitants of Saikul, Ukhrul and Karong. It may be mentioned that the JAC Women Wing against the shifting of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang had earlier served an ultimatum to the government to make a decision to fulfill their demand by May 12, failing which the JAC warned of further intensifying their agitations.
Imphal East ki oina Sagolmang da hospital ama sani haidana already jatra tawdana loigraba matung chaisida amu atopa amada mu sense to haibase praja khoida yamna nungaijadaba awaba mayam ama ana ayeki karigidamakta khoisi yamna asida sarani haibase akhoi yamna thawaisida nungaidana leijaramaba pot amose hojik paliba sarkar sina atopa amada mu sense tawni haibase akhoi praja singbu ta sengna akhoi mirai bibne hana lokje hongbinu haidana akhona haijariba sini adugi mathak chaisa karigumba akhona haibase tabidragadi hospital ase hek chadriba phawba akan ba khoi masidagi henba khongjang kaya changsinjarakani.
Students' Union of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University took out a peaceful rally come sit-in protest, demanding to upgrade the infrastructure of the university and to implement a clear-cut reservation policy for tribal students in the state. The sit-in was held at Kangla-Tongbi Bazaar, after which a peaceful rally was marched up to the regional campus of the tribal university at Makhan village. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of the Union, E. Wanglar, the university lamented that so far there are no clear-cut reservation policy for the tribal students in admission and in the recruitment process. He also pointed out the lack of permanent staff in the university, especially in the Department of Tribal Studies and Department of Sociology. Demanding the authorities concerned to look into the inadequacies of the university at the earliest, he asserted that the union will continue the protest till their demand is fulfilled.
The very purpose of coming up this university was for the tribal students to carry out their higher education and plus their research activity. But no, there is no clear-cut reservation for this very university for the tribal students particularly. The authority concerned are still not able to respond to our all our demands. We request the concerned authority, the concerned authority, especially VC, to come to this university to solve our problem.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on an exclusive report on a 115-year and 3-month-old woman from Makwam 3 village, Matironglu Gangmei, who is the oldest living person on earth. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 115-year and 3-month-old woman from Makwam 3 village, Matironglu Gangmei, celebrated her birthday today, making her the oldest living person in the world. Impact News reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person P. Bobo bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Matironglu Gangmei from Makwam village in Nonne district celebrated her 115th birthday with her family members and people in her locality. Matironglu Gangmei was born in the month of February 1903. She witnessed the 1917 Thadou Kuki rebellion at the age of 14. She gave birth to 5 children from her first marriage to Lagang Remei in 1927. After Riamei's death, she remarried to Paholung Gangmei and bore 2 more children. Altogether, Matironglu Gangmei has 95 descendants at present. Her eldest daughter, Zakhaulo Riamei, is 94 years old. She said her mother adopted the principle of eating simple food and living a peaceful life free from violence.
Sangari gaya pamde napi pame sabakan nage Hawaii mana ne Maria mana kumadi kumadi sampo sabak ri madi pame imade do tabak suwa nade tabak di suwa di nupa gimana ne kan ne sape gaya ne tabak su jeng koma kan na hakal ga akoi jung thaban na atu suwa lorga sing suwa lorga lau saba nupa gim tong en sabne ma di tabak suwa si kalle ma tabak suwa di tehi Manipur gumba phau di tabak kalle hojeng na mana si mi hai ba sing di ta bang ame de me mek so u bang am taba ma ne wa ba se me mek u ba ge do.
A birthday cum blessing ceremony in honor of Matironglu Gangmei, the oldest living person in the world, was held at Makwam village today. Children and relatives of Gangmei who are residing in Assam, Nagaland and other parts of Manipur came to attend the event where she blessed them with a healthy and prosperous life. She is currently under the care of her unmarried daughter, Mazabamlu Gangmei. It may be mentioned that, as per the report submitted by Associated Press on April 11, 2018, Masazo Nonaka of Japan, at 112 years, was documented to be the oldest person in the world.
Hojik si mana nungsa thi si man khwai nungsa thi si ai khoi di phare khoi hojik ma ton bise ma lu hong tare si ma gi mak ma atop di nungsa thi ti hai ma si ngai chung sa thi te kri suna thi te ai khoi si ma kra manaun pi se dom sa se ma si adu gi ma khala ga ma si bangam te hek ta hai ba aina hek hai bani bota nang adu gi mak ta nungsa thi gno dom sa ga aina phan ngai dum yengsin lani kri su khan no bom sa ga yeng lani ai mongwan da dum wasak pa da hojik ti nungai re hai man hojik tu nungai re असी खक्त माना नुंगाइरे हाइबसे असी अदुन मी खक्त नाइ मांगोना ता फंगसे अयाम ता फंगतेबा
This is Joyce Worsham for reporter Bhakta Torangbam with camera person P. Bobo for Impact News.
The negligence of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has led to the devastation of the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiri Road. Impact News sources said that around 11 this morning, the connecting road near Makru area and Nungdalan was found to be completely inundated with rainwater. Various trucks and heavy vehicles loaded with essential commodities were halted in the area. The alarmed vehicle owners expressed apprehension that the spoiled commodities will cause widespread scarcity in the coming months. They drew the attention of the government to inspect the conduct of NHIDCL in this regard. Director, Arts and Culture Department N.G. Uttam has announced that the Imphal Art College in Dulaland will soon be upgraded into a full-fledged government college. He was speaking at the inaugural of a new building of the college today. Director Uttam said efforts to upgrade the college was already in progress even before he took charge as the director of the department. He said soon the deficiency of the college, including its teaching staff and infrastructure, will be filled in. Uttam maintained that it is high time to promote the arts and culture of the state. He also assured of bringing solutions to the difficulties facing the teachers of arts and culture in consultation with the authorities concerned. On the other hand, a 5-day art exhibition organized by Imphal Art College in commemoration of the 100th birth anniversary of the founder principal of the college, late H. Shyamo, also kicked off today. Different artworks from 46 students of the college were displayed at the exhibition. Chairman of the governing body Imphal Art College, L. Mangi, principal of the college, S. Nimai, art teachers and art lovers attended the event.
State Kala Academy sisu mafam chaba ma da hongdok khrasi haibagi policy ma lei aduna anouba mafam da mapung phaba art gallery thamaga matam chupagi oina dum ngasai gi art gallery ji hangaga thambagi government gi pandam adum uba phangi art college sisu hoi mayamna pami si government college on baduni sigi matang da su government na homework khradi tawba horame award po ja mention na ba power si mention laga infrastructure ji haukalaga full fledged college ama onthokna bagi government adum kana hona bagi mamitai.
State-level folk and classical music competition organized to mark the 56th Foundation Day of Sri Sri Balmukunda Dev Music College concluded today. The 5 days event, observed from the 6th of May, was held at the auditorium of the college. Lay teachers of the college were also commemorated by offering floral tributes at the event. A souvenir on the Foundation Day was also released and prizes were distributed to the winners of the competition on the occasion. Folk and classical music shows performed by the students marked the concluding ceremony of the event. Nongchup Imphal Mairapai Loop observed its third Foundation Day at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen in Palace Compound today. Speaking on the sidelines, Secretary General of the organizations, Soraisam Santi Laima, stated that Nongchup Imphal Mairapai Loop, established with the aim of uplifting the society and the economy of the state, has been actively fighting against discrimination and atrocities meted out to women folk in the state. Speaking on the recent havoc caused by the influx of harmful intoxicants in the state, Shanti Laima maintained that the organization is ready to counter this social hazard which is widely affecting the youth of the state. President of Nimpal T.H. Ibeyaima, President of Amkil P. Sakhi Laima, President of Nupi Samaj T.H. Ramani, President of Tami Chingmi Loop S. Momon Laima, including officials of various organizations, attended the program.
Sotaraba kunai si nipi singna isang thongna laina kunai si kanminaba amadi nipi gi hak kanminaba loigana semil londa aduga kunai londa akoi chapmadaba miyengda akoi nipi singna masigi pandamasi akoi thaminaba asugumba kaya loigana ngasi Manipur kunai sida sotaraba nisagi matangda haringa leitana nisa makhan kaya ama pusilaktana akoi tungi generation da pharakadabi isai su kaya ama amangbo oirakpa do asina maram oirakanda nisa thasin thakilakanda akoi women crime nipi da miyo menya kaya ama tholakpa masigumba kaya si akoi nimbana thingnabagidamata akoi sem saba hojare.
Indian Red Cross Society Imphal branch observed the 70th World Red Cross Day on the theme Smile for Humanity, Everywhere for Everyone at various locations of Imphal East and Imphal West districts today. The day was also observed at All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Welfare Organization, Monsangai. Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District Branch, Dr. K. Arun Kanta, former chairman of IRCS Manipur State Branch, Dr. Y. Megachandra, president of All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Welfare Organization, Pramo Sija, and teachers and students of the institute were present at the observance. Gifts were presented to the students of the institute on the occasion. Desam in a press release informed that Desam Imphal West District Council, in collaboration with Sija Eye Care Foundation and Social Development Association, conducted a free eye camp at Kangchup Market Shed. Altogether, 184 persons were checked up at the camp. MLA Segmai constituency Haikam Dingo felicitated Birjit Haikam, who secured the fourth position in the commerce stream of the recently declared Class 12 Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur examination. All Manipur Nupiluk Moibung Khunau branch organized the felicitation program at Moiling Khunau Community Hall. Student of SDJM Higher Secondary School, Pauna Bazar, Birjit Haikam said he aims to become a successful businessman. Birjit also mentioned that students in Manipur often pursue higher education in a science stream, irrespective of their desires. He opined that students should choose their subjects as per their aspirations. MLA Haikam Dingo assured that BJP-led government will put in all possible effort to help diligent students of the state. Koripaba Youth Club and Irabot Celebration Committee Irengbam jointly organized a felicitation program for Thiam Krishna Kanta from Irengbam Makha Maninglaikai of Bijnupur district, who secured the 9th position in the science stream of COSAM's examination 2018 at Irengbam Makha Maning Community Hall today. Former MLA Oinam constituency Dr. I. Bohalbi and other local leaders were present at the event. Thiam Krishna Kanta was presented with cash award on the occasion. Imphal West Rifles Association is organizing Imphal West District Shooting Competition 2018 at Khomalampak Shooting Range from May 17 to 23. In the press release, the association informed any interested shooters to participate in the competition exclusively for Imphal West District to get details at Khomalampak Shooting Range on May 17. Manipur Futsal Association in a press release informed that selection trials for admission into RFC Football Academy Bangalore for the year 2018-19 will be held at Mekola Playground at 7:30 in the morning on May 13th. Interested candidates may contact Manipur Futsal Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren calls on the need to upgrade technology of State Security and Intelligence Department into 4G to combat insurgent activities in the state. Minister Karam Sham espouses protection of consumers' rights, asserts people should rise against exploiters. People's State sit-in denouncing Koirengai bomb blast, proscribed outfit Prepark claims the blast. JAC All Manipur under 5 to on passenger service calls 48-hour sea service strike over entry ban on diesel auto rickshaws in Imphal city.